Video instructions for Brooks four-year plan. Make sure you enable the editing once you open up the Excel spreadsheet. First thing we're going to do is click in A2, and we want today's date. If you type today's date, that's fine for today, but if you wanted to open this next week, it would still have today's date. So to get the current date, you would click, it's a formula, so click formula. And if you're good with memorizing them, it's actually equals today, open, close, parentheses. It's today's date, the accurate date. Or if you went to formula and choose date and time and choose today, there's the formula that I just typed. And then click OK. And you have today's date, and it'll update it according to the computer's current date. In A4, type January. Do not press enter. Go ahead and fill handle. So you have all the months of the year. And don't worry about filling in the years yet. We are going to fill in column E, and I'll attach a document that has the numbers that you'll be filling in for column E. And the best thing to do to enter them is to use the number keypad, because over there you have your decimal place and you also have an enter key, and it'll just move along the column. So I'm going to pause it for a minute. The next thing we'll do is we'll click in B16, and what you want to do is get the total for that year for the 12 months. You can, on the Home tab, click the auto sum symbol, or if you remember, the shortcut is Alt equals. So what I wanted to show you was that it includes 2015, the year, which is the title of that column, in the total, because Excel considers it a number, so it's including it in the calculation. You could reselect starting in B4 and then select so that you've changed it. Instead of B3, it's B4. You could do that. Or, and then what you do is you get this little green triangle, and that usually tells you there's an error in there, and it's telling you that you missed one of the cells. So rather than do that, up in 2015, so click B3, in the formula bar, I'm going to type right in front of the 2015 an apostrophe, and then press enter. Again, I get that triangle, which is fine. But now when I go back to B16 and press Alt equals, it's not including it, because I've told Excel it's not a number. Do not consider 2015 a number. It's a title, so it doesn't include it. So when I do press enter, I get my total, and there is no triangle. I do have it here, but that's okay, because I want it to be read as a title. And if I follow this through 2016, 2017, I'll also get the triangle. And I can center it too, if you'd like. For my totals to go across the months each year for January, again, Alt equals, and it knows to add everything to the sum that's to the left, and check mark, and then go ahead and fill handle. And then I can also drag this across, and it'll add all of them for me. And then because these are dollar amounts, we're going to select everything and choose the accounting format. And now that we're complete, hopefully we have the same grand total. Brooks four-year plan, select A1 and drag across to F. And go ahead and merge and center. And if you want to change the font, make it bigger, change the font color, add some shading, whatever you'd like. And the same thing for the year. Merge and center, you can make it a little bigger, put it in bold, whatever you'd like. And then if we were to check this to print, File, Print. Notice it's in portrait, which is fine because it does fit, it's all on one page, but it's up in the left-hand corner. So if you choose Page Setup, Portrait or Landscape, that's fine, doesn't matter. Margins, make sure you check off both center on page horizontally, you moved it to the middle, and vertically. And then go into Header, Footer, choose Custom Header or Footer if you want it at the top or the bottom, your choice. Either way, you'll have three sections. On the left section, this is the date, the insert current date. In the middle section, your name. And on the right section, this will be the file name. Brooks four-year plan. Okay, okay, it drops it down in the middle of the page. Date, your name, and the file name. Go ahead and save and submit.